League spot, and with Michael Carrick, what do you think? Do you think they should sign him permanently or find a more experienced manager that can take them through the Champions League and Premier League and stuff and go on to win it?
Oh, absolutely. I think for Manchester United, Michael Carrick has done a fantastic job. We were bantering them sort of halfway through the season with Amorim, when Amorim was in charge. For a manager to come in, for him to come in and to do the job that he's done, he's got them in the Champions League. Fernandes, who's in contention to be Player of the Season, to win the Player of the Year award with the assists, and how his assists has helped contribute to getting the team to where they are. Absolutely, Dennis. You know, I did read some comments about Gary Neville saying, I don't understand. I always get passionate with I just don't understand with the United legends, right, Dennis? I just don't understand why they have such an influence in the team. Gary Neville, Roy Keane, who else? Paul Scholes, Nicky Butt, who else? They have such an influence in the team. I just don't. And for me, that's been their downfall. Ever since Fergie left. That's why they haven't been able to get to where they need to. Because these individuals have such a voice that influence the fans, the owners, in such a way that any manager that comes in isn't given the time or isn't given the way. Because any manager that comes in with their philosophy or with their style of play, this is not the Manchester United way. What was the Manchester United way? The Manchester United way was winning trophies, no? So any manager that comes in, even Jose Mourinho came in and won them the treble. Jose Mourinho came in and won Manchester United the treble. Some will argue and say it's not a treble. Hey, but he did. Won them the Community Shield, won them the Europa, and won them the Carabao Cup, the treble. No? Or are we gonna... Okay, that's a treble. Is it three titles? Okay, it's a treble. Yeah. And they were still getting on to him. No, I'm going to say it, Dennis. I know my best friend Simon Grant, who's a Manchester United fan, Adam Kashimari, Darren Russell. I go back and forth with them every time. I'm saying that, Idris as well. And I say this to Idris. I'm like, he absolutely hates, Idris, by the way, hates Jose Mourinho. And I go back and I'm like, he won you the treble. And he's like, no, he didn't. No, the Carabao doesn't count. The Community Shield, well, is a trophy, no? Any manager that comes in, Van Gaal came in, did very well. Jose, obviously. Amorim even won them a trophy, no? Not Amorim, the other guy. Ten Hag.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, yeah.
Back-to-back FA Cup. And they were getting on to him. So any manager that comes in, the class of 92, for me, are toxic. I'm going to say it, they're toxic. Carrick absolutely deserves the job. Absolutely, he's done a fantastic job. He's got them into the Champions League. He's done well. Kobe Mainoo, flying. They're playing the Manchester United way. And for him to say that, the class of 92, they just have a toxic opinions, just toxic views. I'm not saying don't have an opinion. Heck, I'm sitting here with an opinion. We all do. We all have opinions. But for me, that class of 92 just have such an influence in Manchester United in such a way that it blows my mind.
Yeah.
But no, Carrick deserves it. He absolutely deserves it.
I agree.
Give it to him. Lifetime contract. Give it to him. He's done a great job.
100%.
Give it to him.
Yeah.